Start. Lift your head. Lift your head. Is there any change before and after in your handwriting? Huh? Children? Okay. Just after one day again more change it. When you start capital letter, automatically it will be changed. Total. Remove left hand, remove left hand. Stop talking, middle, first bench, boys. Page number 30 only, okay? Don't write 31, you have to write as right?